Hey guys, what up? It's me, and also for the week after the holidays. You kidding? He's blasting his music. There was no cars on this street. Are they all friends?
V takes your V card. It's just food.
Jacket I was like dying over because
I
it's not a belt.
love this.
Look at this.
How fun. Yeah, funky.
This is super cute. I just like the
That is so
With a pair
cute.
of-
So cute too. Good morning, everyone. It's the first full day in New York, and it's a total first for me. Snow. Check out this view with all the snow. Ow, I just stubbed my toe so bad. It's probably cold as beep out there. So I'm gonna try more of this stuff that I got at the airport. So we have a full day today. We've got the crew coming in today, probably in about 30 minutes or so.